Okay, so now that we know how to classify angles, I want to look at this picture and do some angle classification. Let's name some angles. So let's start off by finding the easy one that I see here. Um, this one here with this box, remember that means right angle or a 90 degrees angle. And I'm going to name that as angle Q with the vertex R in the middle and then T to show that I'm talking about this opening right here. Okay, I could also name it angle TRQ. And those are both right angles. I'm going to move next to an acute angle, and I see that this right here, that's less than 90, which means that we're talking about an acute angle. And I can name that angle as QRP because I'm talking about the opening between those. I see that I can also name it angle PRQ. And this angle here is too wide. What about this angle here? I see angle SRV or VRS with that vertex point being in the middle. Do you notice it's in the middle of all of them? I also see angle VRT that's going to be less than 90 degrees. And I can also say that as angle TRV. A few of you may notice that here, if I look at this angle, that it's also making a right angle. And you can also name the angle that makes that if you see that it's angle T, R, and S. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my right angles. And I can name that as T or S or angle SRT. And then I'm going to have my obtuse angles, And obtuse means that it's going to be wide or more than 90 degrees. So the obvious one here is angle PRS, or flipping it backwards, angle SRP, keeping that vertex in the middle. I don't really see any more obvious ones, but you can look at this angle that takes the right and the 90, and I see that it makes it wider, okay? So you can also say that angle TRP is obtuse, or angle PRT. Sounds like party, and it is a party. It's an angle party. Okay, and there's one more angle that we haven't talked about yet. It's really a simple angle. It's called a straight angle. And a straight angle means what it sounds like. It's a straight line, and straight lines measure 180 degrees. It's double the right angles. So if you look at this picture, there's no obvious one, but if you look at the lines themselves, you can see that angle VRP is a straight angle, or backwards. We also have angle SRQ, or angle QRS. So those are some different types of angles that you all seem to be awesome about. We're going to use these angles when we start looking at triangles, because what makes up a triangle? You should be thinking in your head maybe 3 angles. So you guys did great. We're going to look at one more thing about about